The Cloud Applications Help Center provides video, documentation, and tutorial-based help for all cloud applications, giving you quick and functionally tailored access to the information that you need. It also identifies the new capabilities and enhancements in monthly updates so that you can stay current and offers readiness training. On the Help Center, you can tour a business process to see what it includes, research how specific requirements can be met, and review detailed process material to extend your working knowledge. As an example, let's explore the EPM Planning Help Center that provides the following user assistance assets: streamlined role-based documentation, videos from high-level overviews to step-by-step walkthroughs, the complete searchable documentation suite, tutorials to help you master a process and deepen your understanding, and updates orienting you with new capabilities and enhancements. Depending on your cloud offering, not all of these assets may yet be available. To avoid potential problems, leverage best practices and find all of the information available for a business process or common component. Visit the Books tab. Books provide the full, official documentation suite by user role in searchable, downloadable HTML online help and in PDF format. Here you can find information about setting up, developing, securing, maintaining, migrating, and troubleshooting applications, how to use common tools and processes such as SmartView and data management, and how to administer, use, and integrate business processes. For an immediate, at-a-glance information about the key tasks, tools, and information for a given role, use Tasks. Tasks streamline content by user responsibility, reducing documentation searches, and offering a functionally intuitive entry point to user assistance. You can get started with the links in Tasks and refer to the documentation if you need more information. If you're a more visual learner, use videos to familiarize yourself with a business process, task, or feature before using it. You can watch and share links to two kinds of videos. Watch an overview video to understand how a business process or feature is useful, learn about considerations and best practices, and to get product tours. Watch a tutorial video if you need a detailed, step-by-step walkthrough of the tasks you can perform using a particular feature or process. Tutorials are learning modules that typically bundle documentation and video to comprehensively guide you through a task, delivering focused, easily consumed information to help you get proficient with a certain capability or process. Tutorials can be Oracle by example that are primarily documentation-based modules, or they can be learning paths that often include sample data and quizzes to ensure you've mastered a topic or task. To ensure you never miss a platform or a business process update and are familiar with the latest capabilities and enhancements, check out Review New Incremental Features and EPM Cloud Features. These resources are updated monthly, helping you stay current and providing access to readiness training. With Cloud Features, you can review each month's new capabilities and enhancements, or search to find features by name. Click Features to open the What's New document, where you can find important information about enabling and using features, a link to the defects fixed and important considerations in this update, videos showcasing new features, and to access Customer Connect for training, forum-based learning, and support. You can also get feature summaries and watch readiness videos to orient yourself with new features using Cloud Readiness What's New. Now let's see how the Help Center can assist in certain situations. To quickly learn about what a business process does, watch its tour video for a list of key capabilities and features, review the description of all its capabilities archived in EPM Cloud Features, or review the initial chapters of the documentation. To extend your working product knowledge and get more proficient, use tutorials to take a learning path or an Oracle by example learning module. Use the video drop-down list to identify and watch all videos by functional category. Use the For More Information link to access related documentation, or search the documentation and read the related topics. To find out if a business process can do something in particular, watch its tour video for a list of key capabilities. Use the video drop-down list to identify and watch videos by functional categories. Search Cloud Features and the documentation, or do a general Google search. Remember to pass along helpful information by sharing documentation, video playlist, and other links. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.